Hi guys, in today's aptitude capsule, we are going to cover a question from a numerical ability. This is a question related to mixed fractions, or you can say continuous fractions. And this question can be solved using a traditional method or a quadratic equation concept, or even using common sense. Let's look at the question first. The question is, if x is equal to 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus and so on, what is the value of x? I am just writing it here. X is equal to 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus and so on. Let's look at the answers. The first answer given is 0.235. Second answer given is 0.345. Third option 0.192. Fourth option 0.124. First of all, how to solve this question? Or is there any trick to answer it in just 1 or 2 seconds or 5 seconds? This seems to be a lengthy question, right? But if you just observe it, you can answer it in actually 5 seconds based on the answers given. Here we are going to apply the elimination method to answer this question. X is equal to 1 by 5 plus something, it keeps going. I am just writing this as 1 by 5 plus something positive. But what is this positive value? Can it be more than 1? No. Can it be negative? No. So it is always less than 1, that is for sure. In fact, if you see, this is nothing but 1 by 5 plus something. Okay. 1 by 5 maximum value is how much? 1 by 5 is 0.2. If 1 by 5 itself is 0.2, 1 by 5 plus something should be always less than 0.2. This should be always less than 0.2. If that is the case, even this should be less than 0.2. What I mean is, x should be also less than 0.2 because x is 1 by 5 plus something less than 0.2. So if you look at the answers, this can be eliminated, this can be eliminated. Here the answer, another answer or the option is 0.124. 0.124 is actually even less than 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 0.125. But this is 0.124. And this value can never be more than 6 or 5.2 first of all. So this cannot be answered. Simply answer is 0.192. Because that is the closest thing when you divide 1 divided by 5.2. So sometimes when you look at the questions, don't jump into solving the question using concepts. Just observe the question for 5 seconds and see what is the best method to use, and have a look at the options as well. So this is answering the question using the elimination method. So we eliminated the wrong answers here. By eliminating the wrong answers or the wrong options, we arrived at the correct option. Now let's look at how we can solve it using traditional method using the quadratic equations. Because this is x is equal to 1 by 5 plus something, which is just repeating. The whole sequence is repeating. So I will write this as 1 by 5 plus x. So x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. That is 5 square is 25 minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 1. So it will become plus 4 divided by 2 into 1. So minus 5 plus or minus 29 divided by 2. This is nothing but minus 5 plus 5.385 divided by 2. I will be getting 0.385 divided by 2. I took only positive value. So this will yield us 0.385 divided by 2. This will yield us 0.1924 and so on, because I just took an approximate value there. So using quadratic equations also we can answer this question. So we need to know what are the different ways in which we can attempt a question while doing the practice. But in the exam, you need to go for the quickest method or the smartest method to get the answer in the least possible time. I trust you enjoyed this particular capsule. We'll be coming up with more such interesting questions and the best methods to solve them. Stay tuned.